View and clear your Spotify listening history. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of TechTube. If you're also trying to know and see your Spotify history and also clear them, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end because I'm going to show you the steps that you need to follow. With that said, let's get right into the video without any further ado. Now whenever you open up your Spotify app, you would see a section of recently played right here. But to view the full list, you'll need to tap on the timer icon that you see on the top. Once you tap on this icon, it's going to show you all of your listening activity on your Spotify account. If you scroll down further, it's going to give you dates and the number of songs that you listen to on that particular day. So that is the viewing part. Now to clear this Spotify history, you cannot really clear the songs that you already listened to. So if you don't want other people visiting your profile on Spotify to see your listening activity, I'm going to show you a second way that you can avoid that. What you'll need to do is tap on the settings icon on the top right, and then from here if you scroll down, you'll come across a section called socials, and underneath it you're going to see an option called private sessions, and it says temporarily hide your listening activity from your followers. Now whenever you toggle this option on, other people visiting your profile or your friends visiting your profile on your Spotify won't be able to see your listening activity. But if you have toggled this off and you have toggled this on, which is listening activity, other people will be able to see the exact songs that you listen to. So to avoid that, you can just toggle this on, and now any song that you listen to, other people won't see your listening activity. That's the only thing that you can do in the case of clearing, and you cannot remove your existing listening history on your Spotify account. So that was the exact video. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.